As a continuing part of the self-published book unboxing series, it's my pleasure to open up a box from none other than my friends over at Lulu. Stay tuned. Welcome to Self-Publishing with Dale, where you'll learn to publish books that sell and build an unstoppable brand. Today, I received a package from none other than Lulu.com, and I am very ecstatic with what I have to share with you today. Before we go jump into the unboxing, I want to definitely let you know that what I'm going to discuss is not necessarily the contents or the manuscript of the book, more so the actual distribution platform. We're going to pay attention to three key metrics on each one of these distribution platforms, and they include delivery time, shipping and handling, and quality. These three things, I think, vary from one platform to the next, and Lulu is definitely no exception. Good friend of the channel, Darren Powis, ordered and sent this book, and it got here in record time. I had scores of books sent to my address, and this was by far the fastest. It wasn't rush shipped, it was just standard shipping, and it got to my house in 5 days. That's right, 5 days. Not bad. So as far as delivery time, I don't think even Amazon has Lulu beat. Now, for shipping and handling, I have to admit, I was fairly underwhelmed. I thought for sure that they would, of course, do the same thing that has been done with CreateSpace. I mentioned this in the previous video, on how there would be corrugation, a corrugated box that actually would support this. Now, no complaints. This came undamaged, but it did come in a bubble wrap envelope. So my recommendation, Lulu, if you're paying attention, corrugated boxes or any kind of envelopes with corrugation is probably the best way to go so you can minimize the risk of damage from warehouse to customer. Now, quality. I have to say this, I am going to gush over what Lulu has to offer the print-on-demand industry. This is second to none. The glossy cover feels really nice, and it doesn't paw up or get printed like the other ones do on, say, Amazon KDP Print or CreateSpace. The cut is just absolutely stellar, and this is cream-colored paper on a 6x9 book. I have to say, this just is amazing. I'm really super happy with what Lulu offers as far as quality goes for print on demand. I'll be discussing Lulu again in a future comparison video because I have another one that has similar quality to this one. What do you think? Have you used Lulu.com for print on demand publishing? If so, what are your thoughts? Definitely leave them in the comments down below. In the meantime, the party's not over. Believe it or not, we're going to start to compare some of the print-on-demand distribution platforms, and we're going to do a little bit of a comparison, side-by-side analysis between the delivery, the shipping and handling, and the quality. So what are you waiting for? Head right over to the next video.